In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can check the history of your Google Lens. So what you need to do is just open your Google browser like this. So on here, you just need to tap on this. You can see the image with the search button there on this side. And you can also see the camera emoji on here too as well, or the camera picture as well. So any of them can do this for you. So let me tap on this. I want to tap on this and then move there straight. So on here, what I need to do is just tap on the history here. You can see the three dots at the corner here. Tap on the history here. I just tap on that like this. So good. It's going to take some time to load and you're going to see my history here. So that's it. There's my full history for the month. And the images should take some time to load. Good. And the images are here. So these are my Google Lens history. So I can even tap on this to download the image. If you want the image to do something, you can download it by tapping on this like this. So let me drag this here. You can see download the image, and then I download the image. Simple as that. So that's it. So now you can get access to your Google Lens history. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.